Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 7th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from FICO, a leader in analytic software. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. FICO has just released their fourth quarter fiscal 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic guidance for the next fiscal year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. FICO reported a net revenue of $454 million for the fourth quarter of fiscal 2024, which is a 16% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is quite impressive, driven by strong performance in their scores segment, which saw a 27% increase. This was largely due to higher unit prices in their B2B solutions. Additionally, their software segment also contributed with a 5% increase, thanks to recurring revenue growth.
And what about profitability?
FICO's net income for the quarter was $135.7 million, translating to an earnings per share of $5.44. This is a significant improvement from the previous year's $4.01 per share, highlighting their effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. FICO has also shown strong cash flow performance. Can you tell us more about that?
Sure. FICO reported net cash provided by operating activities of $226.5 million, with free cash flow at $219.4 million. This indicates robust cash generation capabilities, which is crucial for funding future growth initiatives.
Speaking of the future, what guidance has FICO provided for fiscal 2025?
FICO is projecting revenues of $1.98 billion and a GAAP EPS of 25.5 for fiscal 2025. This guidance reflects their confidence in sustaining double-digit growth across all key metrics, as highlighted by CEO Will Lansing.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did FICO's different segments fare this quarter?
The scores segment was a standout, with revenues reaching $249.2 million, a 27% increase year over year. The B2B revenue within this segment grew by 38%, driven by higher unit prices. On the software side, revenues were $204.6 million, up 5%, with a notable 31% growth in platform annual recurring revenue.
What strategic initiatives are they focusing on to drive this growth?
FICO is heavily investing in their decision management strategy and re-engineering initiatives. They're also focusing on expanding their platform capabilities, which is evident from the strong platform ARR growth. These efforts are aimed at enhancing customer value and driving long-term growth.
Risks and challenges. Every company faces challenges. What are some of the risks FICO is dealing with?
FICO's long-term debt stands at $2.19 billion, which is quite substantial. They also have a stockholders' deficit of $962.7 million. Additionally, they face competitive pressures and regulatory risks, especially concerning the use of consumer credit data. These factors could impact their future performance if not managed carefully.
How is FICO addressing these challenges?
FICO is focusing on maintaining strong customer relationships and developing new products to stay competitive. They're also working on improving operational efficiencies to manage their debt levels effectively.
Key takeaways. In summary, FICO has delivered a strong performance this quarter with a 16% revenue growth and a 36% increase in EPS. Their cash flow remains robust, and the guidance for fiscal 2025 is positive. John, any final thoughts?
FICO is well-positioned for future growth, thanks to their strategic initiatives and strong financial performance. However, they need to keep an eye on their debt levels and competitive landscape.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on FICO's performance in the comments below.